Hi guys, I am going to be cutting a bunch of jeans. I was gonna add this to the vlog, but I don't know. I'll just make it into its own little video. So I got these at the thrift store the other day. So I'm gonna make these ones into shorts, but then I also have like a couple more pairs that I'm thinking of cutting up. So I have like these blue ones. I don't know if I'm gonna cut these ones into shorts. I might just like hella cut them up. And then I have like this pair and this these are capris, but these fit my butt so good, and that's why I want to make these ones into shorts. And then I have this one that I'm thinking of making into shorts as well. So I'm gonna try all of these on first to see, you know, how they fit me, and then I'm gonna decide like which ones I'm gonna cut into shorts and then which ones I'm just gonna like cut up and stuff. Okay, so these are the Levi's. So these ones fit me really good in the butt area, like the legs and stuff. They're just like hella like, I don't know, like I'm like tall for these or something. So that's why these ones are gonna become into shorts. But they fit me good. I mean, I'm not mad at it. My butt looks great. Okay, so then these ones are the capris, and these ones as well, like fit my butt, my thighs, everything hella good, but they're just like capris, like so awkward. So I'm gonna totally make these ones with shorts as well. So yeah, so this is another pair, and these ones fit me good as well, but these ones I feel like they make my butt look long. Like, I don't know, these ones are a little funky now that I'm looking at these. But besides that, I feel like they fit me good. I'm gonna make these ones as well into shorts. So yeah. And then these ones are like a little cropped as well. Like I was too tall for these. I'm sorry, my background's like hella shitty. Like I got crap over here, but whatever. Okay, and then these ones are those blue green jeans that I got in Washington, and these ones as well, they make my butt look good. Yeah. So these ones are super high-waisted, like covers like my freaking belly button and shit. But I don't know how I'm gonna do these ones. I don't know if I want to cut them up or just leave them. So I'm still debating on these. Okay, so this is the last pair I have, and these ones I think I'm just gonna like shred them and just make them super distressed. These ones fit me more like boyfriend jeans. I mean, they still make the butt look good, and like they're tight on the waist, not like super tight, but they're kind of tight, and then the rest is like loose. So I was thinking like just ripping them up and just making them look a little cuter. So I'm probably gonna start off with these ones first, and these are the ones I just got this past weekend. I still have the freaking tag on them. So these ones I'm gonna make into shorts. Yeah. Oh, and then all you're gonna need is just one of these, and then obviously scissors. So that's all you need for this video. And then of course your jeans. So I would just thrift some jeans and like rip them up, and then if you mess them up, you're good. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with these ones. So these ones fit really good. So I'm just gonna do like al tanteo, like, yeah, I'm just gonna do that because I don't care. So I'm just gonna fold them like this. Maybe I should lower the camera so you can actually see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so literally just folded them in half like this, and yeah, so I'm gonna cut them longer just cause, yeah, I messed. So right now I don't care if they're not even or whatever, because I cut them like way longer. So now I'm gonna try them on and then probably mark where I want to actually cut them and then cut them. So So I just got done marking them up. Literally used a pen. And this is probably like where I want them. So now I'm just gonna cut them and see how they look. Sorry guys, I didn't record this part, but I just like did little cuts in my pants and more cuts right there. I'm just cutting and like wherever I want it. Take that tag off. Just cut. So like these ones I just want them to look hella messed up. So I think that's how much I want the back to look. Yeah, and I think that's about it. That's like all I want cut on these. So these ones are ready to go. So let me put them on. Actually, no, I'll put them on once they're... Because these ones I still have to wash since didn't freaking take them to the... Or since I just bought these, so. But I will wash these and then probably tomorrow since it's already late. And then try them on and see how they look on. Okay, so these ones are the second pair that I will be cutting. Ooh, tummy tuck jeans. Anyways, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut them a little bit longer. Good. Okay, whatever. So now I'm gonna try them on and then again I'm gonna mark them up and see where I want them to. Okay, so I marked these ones up already. So I will cut them a little bit lower than where I marked them because I'm not too sure with these ones. Oh, sorry guys, my thingy is all messed up. These ones, these look really freaking short. Oh shit. Okay, well whatever, I already cut them, so I might as well cut this leg on this side. Okay, so I just tried these on and you can kind of see my butt with these. So like this, they're fine, but I feel like once I wash them, they're gonna shrink even more. So I'm a little scared about these ones. I think I fucked these ones up. But I'm gonna probably add more like holes in these right now. So yeah. So let me turn the camera down. So yeah, I'm just using my X-Acto knife. And I'm literally just freaking cutting holes in them. So I'll probably do like... I'm just gonna leave it like this because these are already hella short, so I don't want to add too many. I mean, I already added hella holes. So yes, so once I wash these, I will show you guys the end result, how these look. So yeah. Okay, so these ones as well I will be cutting into shorts. And so right now I'm just gonna cut the excess like I've been doing. Ooh, these ones kind of look good, like these long ones, almost like jean biker shorts, if y'all know what I mean. We'll see. I'm feeling that vibe. I don't know if I should like add holes to these because I really like the wash on these, so I'm probably gonna leave them like this. But let me try them on and see how I like them. So these ones I actually am just gonna leave like this long. I actually like the whole biker short thing, so, and they fit me really good, so they're not like wide. But I'm still debating on if I should add holes or like more distressing to these, because I really like the clean look on these. But you know what, I'll just leave them like this, and then later on if I want to add more holes or if I want to cut them like shorter, then I can. So that's so cool. So I have so many fashion things I could wear with this, or like inspirations, looks I can make with this. So I'm happy I did this. So on to the next one. So the next one is gonna be this one. This one, can't even talk. So this one I'm gonna leave it as jeans because I really like this. I really like these. And like I said, these ones fit me like boyfriend jeans, so I'm just gonna add holes and just make it look very just distressed and hella cute. Okay, so I'm actually on Pinterest now, so I really like these ones that Bella's wearing and how they're ripped and stuff. So I'm thinking of doing either this to these pair, or I saw this girl and I'm really feeling how she has them ripped, just like simple and not too much, not too crazy. So like that. So I'm just scrolling, browsing, seeing like what ripped jeans I like, just to get an idea. So I tried these ones on again, and then I marked with a pencil this time where my knees fall, because obviously you have different types of legs or like lengths. So my knees are right here, so I'm gonna cut with, and this time I'm gonna use my scissors just because I feel like it's easier to use. Something up here, but I don't want to get the pocket, because then if I get the pocket, my pocket won't be functional. think that's it for these ones. Yeah. So these ones are done as well. In the future, I might cut more holes in them. It just depends. I'll see how these ones look, and then I might want more. Yeah, so I think I'm done with these. So I will try these ones on once they're washed and ready to go. So the last pair I have is these ones. And I think with these ones, I'm just gonna do holes on the knees. And that's it. So I'm just gonna cut them on the knees. So these ones, I'm just gonna keep them super simple. Just a cut on the knees and that's it. I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, so then I just did literally just 2 holes on the knees and that's it. So these ones, I just want them pretty simple. Later, like I said, I can add holes or whatever, but I'll just keep these ones simple. Okay, so I just finished cutting all the jeans that I wanted to cut and distress. So right now I'm gonna go to sleep, but hopefully tomorrow I have them nice and washed and you guys can see how they look once you wash them. Okay, so I'm gonna try on all the shorts and jeans that I cut up and distress so you guys can see how they look. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first one's gonna be this one, and then these ones obviously I shrunk because you can see my butt right here, and then the side is like fine, but these ones are hella short. So yeah, these ones are definitely gonna be just for the bars because I ain't gonna be walking around with my ass out all day, or maybe for the beach as well, which is fine. So, but besides that, I mean, they're comfortable and they're cute. So these are the Levi's that I cut into shorts, and these look fine. My butt isn't hanging out and stuff. The distressing looks so cute on these. I freaking love it. So I'm really in love with these. So it's giving me like count 12 right now. So yeah, but I really like these. So these are the ones that I left, like biker shorts, and I freaking love them. Like, oh my god, I'm so glad I left them like this. I have so many outfits I want to wear with this now. Okay, and then these ones are the ones that fit me, like boyfriend jeans. I think they look way better now that they're all cut up and stuff. Like, yes, they're still baggy and stuff, but like they have a little like sass to them. So I don't know, I really like them. So this is the last pair that I cut up, and it's the blue ones that I was debating on, but I'm actually happy I did it because I think it looks so cute with the knees cut out. So I'm totally feeling it. It gets a whole vibe, and they like fit me really good. So I'm really happy. Okay, so that concludes my video. Hopefully you guys found that easy to follow along with. I feel like it's just straightforward. You just do like a bunch of cuts, like wherever you want the cuts at on your jeans, and then you just throw them in the wash. I found that like the easiest for me, just because sometimes like I'm lazy and I don't want to do the other methods where like it comes out like, obviously the other methods are gonna come out better because, you know, you're taking your time and stuff, but for me, like, this is a quick way to like make these shorts cute, or like add the cutting. So here, I'll do like a little close-up of how the cutting looks. So right here, and then as you get more washes in, they're gonna turn different. And then obviously the materials too, like this one's like a stretchy one, and then like my Levi's are like the non-stretchy one, or like these ones, they're non-stretchy. So obviously the fraying is way different on each jean. So yeah, so hopefully you guys liked it.